welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I recently did 2 videos. The first one, which is work from home jobs, and the second one, how to create a PayPal account. From then, I have received a few messages like, if I am from Jamaica, can I create a PayPal account? What card can I use to link to my PayPal account? How can I link my card to a PayPal account? Which is why I decided to make this video to help you out. Question number 1. If I am in Jamaica, am I able to create a PayPal account? Yes, you are. And if you want to know how to do it, go ahead, watch my video, and you will see how to create your PayPal account. The second question, what card can I link to my PayPal account? Well, if you have a Visa card or a MasterCard, then you are good to go. You can link either one of those to your PayPal account. As it relates to Jamaicans, there are quite a few cards that we have here. So let me just give you 3 that I know for sure that you can use. So we have the Scotia Bank Visa card. That one can be used. We have the JN Visa card. That one can be used also. And the other one that I have on my list is, so the 3 cards that I went through are the Scotia, the NCB, the JN, and those are all Visa cards. Moving on. For the US and other countries, there are so many cards you can use. And as long as it's a Visa or a MasterCard, then you are good to go. While I was in the US, I used one specific card, the Global Cash card, and that's what I linked to my PayPal account, and it worked pretty well. So if you have the Global Cash card, you can link that to your PayPal account. So yes, that wraps it up for the Visa cards. Let's move on to the MasterCard. For the MasterCards now, we have so many of these, right? If you are in a different country from Jamaica, then you know the MasterCards that you have. And those can be linked to your PayPal account depending on what type of MasterCard it is. So for Jamaicans, we have the Sagicor Digicel MyCash MasterCard. And that if you have that, then you are good to go and you can link it to your PayPal account. So let me go over the cards that you can use if you are in Jamaica. Not that these are the only cards we have, but these are the only ones I've used and know that works. So the Scotia Visa card, the NCB Visa card, and the JN Visa card. As it relates to cards that I used already in the USA, you can use the Global Cash card to link to your account. For the MasterCards in Jamaica, we have the Sagicor Digicel MyCash card. So that's it for the cards. I am going to show you how to link your card to your PayPal account. So yes, let's get right into this. Here's how to add a card to your PayPal account. Once you're on Google, type these words, PayPal sign in. Once you've done that, click the log into PayPal account and you will see this page. Go ahead, put your email address and password and click login. Once you've done that, you will see this page. So you can now scroll and you will see banks and cards. Link a card or bank. So you're going to click on link a card or bank, and it will bring you to this page, link a payment method. So we're linking our card, so go ahead, click link a credit card. Once you have clicked it, you will be on this page. So this page is basically to put your card information and address. So you have your credit card number, card type, expiration date, security code, and address. So the security code is the 3 numbers at the back of your card. Once you've put all your information in those slots, click link card. And it will bring you to this page. So your Visa card is added. Yes, so you need to confirm it. Go to your email, confirm it, and once you click OK, then your card is added. So this is what you will see, and that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you have reached to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.